when AI becomes the new productivity for design. Suapp Air, the intelligent core of leading design studios, evolving toward precision and control, creating accurate ideas, delivering precise design results. Suapp Air, an essential partner for every designer. Suapp Air is an AI-powered inspiration renderer. Instant creativity for designers. Adjust parameters easily. Get a render in 20 seconds. Perfect for design exploration. Currently supporting urban design, architecture, landscape, interior design, color master plans, models, hand-drawn illustration styles, and more. Precision rendering. Suapp Air features a powerful precision rendering engine. It faithfully reproduces materials, lighting, and spatial relationships, delivering highly accurate design results at blazing fast speeds, replacing many functions of traditional renderers. Suapp Air meets designers' demands for rapid rendering, greatly improving both quality and efficiency of daily design work. Partial fine control. With Suapp Air, creativity hits exactly where you want. Precisely target partial areas, freely swap materials and backgrounds. Every adjustment is efficient and accurate. Perform precise material replacements on generated sections. Optimize your design workflow. Unlimited creativity. Suapp Air is a powerful creative engine. It rapidly generates a vast library of ideas based on designers' concepts, providing unlimited possibilities, helping to refine and deepen design concepts. Instant style switching. Suapp Air can instantly switch atmospheres across different times, weather, and seasons. Suapp Air can precisely reference the atmosphere of other renders, while keeping the original content and details intact. It can also reference building facades, and modify facade designs according to the reference. Suapp Air offers many other practical features. Partial redraw, sketch, implanting, image enhancer, space lighting, 360 panoramic view, and more powerful editing tools, transforming AI capability into intuitive, precise editing. Suapp Air is incredibly easy to use. Just pick a style and get a result in 20 seconds. Works on phone, iPad, and computer. Use it anywhere with internet. More stable and controllable results. Designed for professional standards. Suapp Air is becoming the next frontier, replacing traditional render engines. Everyone should go and experience it.